Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my art channel. I'm working on a 16-inch by 16-inch deep edge canvas. You'll see that I've already gone ahead and painted my sides and edges because I'm going to do another pearl bloom blowout, and my base coat color is Creative Inspirations Payne's Gray. I've got it thinned down to a very, very thin consistency. It leaves no mound when it's drizzled off with a stir stick. In my last pearl bloom blowout, I didn't want a lot of pearls, so I used a slightly thicker consistency. This time I would like a lot of pearls, so I've thinned down my consistency even much. It's one of the great things about pearl pours. You can control how many pearls you get by changing the consistency a bit. So my pearl mix is 2 parts pouring medium, 1 part Artist Loft Soft Body White, and 1 part Deco Art Satin Enamels, thinned down to the same consistency. And then my blowout colors here, I have, this is Liquitex Basics Deep Violet, which is one of my favorite colors. And then I have Quinacridone Magenta from Golden Fluid Acrylics. And then I went ahead and played a little bit of Mad Scientist here. I might need to thin that out a little bit still. But this is Golden's Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold with 2 This Little Piggy pigments. I added in Bird of Paradise and Gilded. Bird of Paradise is a gorgeous orange color. And then the Gilded is probably the most sparkle you're gonna get in any of the TLPs, especially in the golds. So I'm really hoping for some flash to this. I think this deep violet and this orange are going to be beautiful together. And now we're at the correct consistency. So I'm going to put down a big puddle of my base coat. I'll probably tilt it out a little bit, but it doesn't need to go all the way over the sides. And then I'm going to layer my colors in the middle, and then I'm going to blow it out with my mouth and hopefully kind of have that kind of bloom shape, and then we will spin it out. We won't need to spin very hard because it's thin consistency paint, so it moves very quickly. And if I spin too fast, everything will get warped in shape. And I want to be able to control where the paint moves. So I might do a little bit of tilting to keep the center in the center. And I've gone back and forth, but I am going to use my base coat color in the very center, the very last color that I put in, and what I'll be using to blow over top of the other colors. It might end up very dark because this also dries dark, but I'm hoping with the white it's gonna, and those pearls, it's going to have, all this darkness will add a lot of depth, but it may be very dark in the middle. We will see. But I like to use my base coat color somewhere in the color palette as well. It kind of unifies the design with the negative space. So I'm hopeful this is going to turn out really well. So I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to start playing.
no rest. No, no, I've been down so long that my mind can't get no rest. No, no, this ain't easy, darling, 'cause the devil's on my trail. I've been running so long that my feet don't work no more. Oh yeah, I've been running so long that my feet don't work no more. Oh no, it ain't easy, darling, when the devil's on my trail. Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's glowing. It's so beautiful. I love that Payne's Gray is negative space. It's magic. It'll dry much darker than it is right now. It won't have that blue. It'll be more like a black. But interacting with the other colors, it has a dark blue tone to it, which should stay. Do you see those blues in there? Oh, that deep violet. Oh, and that quinacridone nickel azo gold with the 2 TLPs in it. Can we get some sparkle? I'm not sure if I can get it in this light. I think maybe you can see a little bit of a flash there with the ring light in the background. Ah, so pretty. And I got the perfect amount of pearls. They didn't take over, but they really do accent the whole thing. I'm super happy with this. I hope you like it too. So do those UV-Tubey things and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Maybe share it with your friends if you think they'd be interested. And go mix up some paints and be fearless.